Fee, fi, fo, fum. Heavy heels, heavy stepper. Does everyone know when you're coming while walking on a hardwood surface or down the stairs? We have a solution coming right up. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. We appreciate your support. So, why do my heels hit so hard? It's a big contrast from the ninja way, who are so nimble and quiet, moving around before they get their target. It's an easy answer for me. It's the core, largely the oblique muscles. The obliques soften our landing and can give us the ability to sneak attack. So let's get to the exercise. In order to set this exercise up correctly, you will need a rail or a stick to be placed on the same side as the target leg, and a stool or a stair. Pick your leg. Let's use our right leg and dangle the feet pointed upwards at your face and over the step stool. I like to give the image of one trying to check the temperature from the pool deck and reaching with the leg to see how cold it is before you go in. How you perform the exercise is to lengthen one side body. For us, it will be the right side. There are 2 points on our body to consider lengthening: the lower rib cage and the bony point at the front of our pelvis. What do we do with the other side? Before initiating the movement with your right leg, the left leg I'm standing on should remain still and flexed only with the lengthening of the right leg or so. Some tips and cues so that you know you're doing this correctly. Big tip number 1 is as you lower down to the floor in a controlled manner, you are continually lengthening with that dangling leg. Number 2 is to stop lowering the moment your left and or opposite knee starts to buckle or rotate. And number 3, as you get better, try to rely less on the rail or stick. If you're able to lower and gently tap your heel, this is a good thing. On the way up, it is the exact opposite movement for the side body, where you have to shorten the side body. There is no set time. Repeat these multiple times until your heel strike softens and improves. The goal is to iron out those wrinkles. I realize this exercise looks a lot easier than what you would expect, but if you have hard heels, this will take tons of practice. Let us know what you think and leave us some feedback in the comments box below. Once again, please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.